111 check. Check 1-1. All right, now it's working. All right, just wanted to make sure because this is just acting so stupid. But top of the morning. Hopefully you have a great start of your morning so far. Oh, let me get that stretch. I did say I was not gonna be on today, but change of plans. I think that's what I said. Gonna have to go get my glasses fixed, but change plans. Yeah, I might be hearing my cat again crying. But it is what it is. So it's looking like that we are gonna open up in premium for both, and it looks like it's gonna be like a 20 and 19 handles on E and NQ. So we're about to open. Market's about to open in 2 minutes. It did mark up a few things. Go ahead. I was trying to figure out if the audio was picking up, but I was listening. Alright, so I did mark up this 1 hour, even though it was traded to and through a couple times, and rejected off the 50% and the high of it, because the low of this sell side efficiency buy side balance was traded to and through here on Monday the 10th. So I'm looking at it right now to see as a, it could be used as, it could possibly turn as an inverted FCG when price, if it does trade higher. Bro, there's so much. Can't remember. So I'm gonna see. Right now, it's looking like we just received a rejection from it. I do have another one here for NQ, excuse me. Same thing. Different is that it wick through the low, the 50%, and the high, or the upper quadrant, 50% lower quadrant of this hour. So sign efficiency buy side balance. So I do want to see price today give us the fill, because again we didn't have a huge gap. So let me see, what was the open here? Okay, it's gonna be 90, 11.25. That's close enough. Might get the field, and so we're gonna have to just figure out exactly what we want to see afterwards. 1 second, because look what NQ is at right now compared to ES. What is the open? 93.25. Got it perfect. It is what it is. Alright, so they're both now in premium. I'm out here trying to figure out that the background music is not being picked up, but if it is what it is. Um, we did already 4 ES took out previous day highs. I do have some relative equal highs up here that if it does want to continue going up higher to reach for. NQ, this is where we at. We did sweep over London low, and we do have a London high up here, so paying attention to that. Yeah, we had PPI today at 8:30, red and orange folder, so 8:30. Okay, so 8:30 that swept some lows and then expanded higher. Alright, so took out these relative equal highs. Tended to push higher. Like I said, at least to the 50% we wanted to see a trade, and NQ did that. For ES, it looked like it did, but it didn't. This is the 8 a.m. candle. This is the 9 a.m. candle. So usually around 20 to 75 is what we want to see. 1 second, let me see something. Yeah. Oh, Jesus, thank you. That's what happens, man, when you custom your pet to sleep in a room. Not in my room, but in other people's room, bro, because that reason. 1 second. Shh. Who's yelling into my room, bro? Well, I'm gonna have to situate that real quick. Let me go ahead and mark up our first present FG, which is right here. It's the low 94.25. All right, hold on. Well, I'll go handle this beast. Maybe it's the size. Let's see. Alright, we're still pushing higher. You never know, so I'm gonna go ahead and mark this up here. About 2025. Alright, so Tia is pushing up deeper and deeper. I'm gonna let this be let this marinate before anything. We're deep in premium right now. We did have an NQ dive into our 930 opening range gap. Yes, it hasn't. We're about to reach August 5th high of NY session. Let's see if it wants to reach for that. Let's see if it wants to at least return into this 3% FUG. It can even be up top. Hit this here, and then possibly continue higher. We want to see. In the meantime, I'll be right back. Come on. Hopefully, he stays still now. Alright, let's see. Nope. I guess wrong. I want to go ahead and mark up. That's the high here. Below. I do like this. It left so fast. Like really fast. Okay. It'll be a late entry, but let's see what we get from here. Might get clip here, but it is what it is. Okay, nope. This is not gonna be the one. Bro, what the I'm not making this up. This is the second time this does that. I get into a trade and it does not close me out. Why? I don't know. It's some bullshit, bro. I don't know why it does that shit, bro. It's gonna close anywhere, but I don't know why. August has been, even though it's my birthday month, when trading has been horrendous. It is what it is, right? Alright, so we did take out August 5th, 5 London. I mean, high of New York. And we are still pushing higher. God, I'm just grateful. I'm not gonna lie, that was a good setup here that I would like to see it, but we have them all. But that's wild, bro. I'll keep track real quick. Okay, so it took me a little bit more, a little less. I was gonna say because it make no sense. How much more does this want to go up? Okay. Look at this shit, bro. Like, why can't I do this when I'm in the trade right now? Like going down, like it's crazy, bro. Lord Jesus. Jesus, 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 Jesus. Got my eyes. Lead the way. Por favor. We are running deeper and deeper and deeper into premium. Looking like ES want to go ahead and reach for August 5th high of New York as well. I just literally just is up here. And it also, and went micro. Man, hopefully August gets better as for trading in New York before the month end. And also, hopefully September is better than August. That's all right. Yeah, hopefully August ends or becomes better, gives better setups in New York or in general. If not, hopefully it gets better or it's better in September. They dead ass. It's just already deeper and deeper and deeper into premium. Yeah, I don't mind, but I would like to see at least if she could come back into here. I'm looking at time and price because if this become an invert FEG, I don't want to even see her, dive into take out 930. It's possible that it wicks the 930, but respects the hourly. Let's see. All right, so we just ran. Yep, there we go. August 5th, high of New York. Yeah, and handles 35 ticks. This one, this a little busy here. And we're up to just shoot up to the moon. Look how crazy this 9 a.m. candle is. It's about to be 10, so you just see. Hopefully, we get something better or some retracement now. Brother, brother, brother. I'm gonna go ahead and mark up this busy here. 2025 19. Let's see what it do. Look like it's still going up. Isn't that cute? I don't know what the fuck is going on. Excuse my language. 172, 75. I don't know what the fuck is going on. It's like what how much more can this continue going up higher? What in the mother is going on, bro? Like, this is crazy. I'm chasing this higher, bro. This is crazy. It's like catching I can't even say arrow because if you shoot arrow higher, it's gonna it's gonna come back down. So 23. You can't make this up, bro. Like how much higher? Shorty just making all-time highs now. Wait, I didn't mark this. You gotta say you know who broke your chain. If you gotta make a homemade away. If you got a Holy Ghost in your way, praise Him like you're not ashamed. You open your prison doors. Who dry all your ocean floors. Who do anything you say? Tell me one thing. Anybody here can testify. If you got a story or he changed your life. If you got a hallelujah, let it fly. Sing like you know the most high. Came in the nick of time. Man, this is just going higher and higher, bro. Like Jesus. Jesus. She gonna make me stretch and just crumbled up into my bed. Yes, how high do you want to go? NQ is tired, bro. Look, she's not doing what you did. What is it? At 958, 958. Look, you still pushing up a little bit. Look at NQ, bro. She's tired, bro. Like fall, man. Do your thing. Go down with her. Jesus. Like how much more? Just putting this to see if she's willing to go any lower. I don't know, bro. Shit. She been shitty. Open your prison door. We'll try your ocean floor. Shorty undecisive. She's undecisive right now. See that? Up, down, up, down, up, down. Look at this candle, bro. This 1007 candle is just on her bully. Her bully, bro. Between this candle right here concerns me a little bit more if she does turn this into an inverted FG, because I feel like she could retrace back into this area here and then drop tag and then continue going up higher. You know, especially how price has been moving lately. I feel like it's capable of doing that. I don't know, man. Let's see. Let's see, brother. Let's see. All right, bro. This is still going higher, bro. I guess I was wrong about NQ. She wanted to push higher. Estúpida. Oh man. I'm gonna pay attention to this one here. He's just falling deeper and deeper into premium, so not falling, running. What am I talking about? So let's see. Puta madre, bro. This is some shit right here, bro. Excuse my language. Yo, look at NQ, bro. Wait till my AC on. Okay, Christian, don't be lazy. Get up. Hopefully, I don't hear it in the back. There's a small civvy in there. Jesus, bro. Oh man, this is what it wants to do. Oh wow. All right, looking like we're gonna go higher, huh? That's what you want to do. Okay. Okay. Mine to leave and cute. Yes, because I don't know what the fuck you guys want to do. I don't know. You know, what the hell do you want? What you want? Like, what is it? You want to go higher? ¿Por qué, pinche pendeja? Why? ¿Por qué? Oh, mames, güey. Let me got my extensions. I don't. But I'll put if that's exactly what she wants to do, more higher. But bro, that is insane. Okay, okay, yes, we got it. I guess. You are what you want. I don't think I've done work. Mm, it is what it is. Let's see, bro. She just going deeper and deeper and deeper, bro. Like, how much more does it want to go up high? This is why it's like, I could go ahead and be like, okay, let's try for a long, but just don't feel good about it, like at all. And I don't want to take something I don't feel good about it, because that's when I mess up. This shit, bro. Oh, this look. It's cute. I'm about to go fall. I'm gonna fall asleep watching this. Look at this piece of shit. Hmm. Can't make this up, bro. This shit still went up. Look at that. Compared to uh, try it one more time. Let's see if it wants to give us all this. Let's see. Would have been better off on ES. I don't know why we didn't take that. I'm literally contemplating as to why we did it. Look at that. Way smoother. Wow, bro. We messed up on this one. Wow. Wow. But okay, hopefully NQ follows ES. Jesus, bro. Can't make this up. Cannot make this up. Damn. That's crazy, bro. Don't put that back. Bro, why we did that? Oh no. Don't make me pay for that now. Like, wow, bro. Look at ES, bro. Literally, you should have just left the limit, bro. Okay, it's alright. It is what it is, man. It happens. Like you're just struggling, bro. Come on, follow ES, man. Follow ES, man. Don't do that now. Follow ES now. Come on, follow ES. Don't do this now, bro, because I've been loyal to you shorts. I've been loyal to the shorts today. There's my third shorts. Shirt. I don't know why I say shirt. Don't do this now, bro. Come on. There you go. Wow, bro. ES was just a beauty of itself, bro. But okay, we know now for the future. The beauty of itself. I'm definitely gonna make a case brief out of this. This was just, it's gonna be one to remember. Bro, literally a 5 tick stop loss. It's no joke, bro. That's money. 50 right there, bro. That's money, bro. Again, we this is how we're gonna be learning. This is how we're gonna be learning. Come on, Q. It's 10:52. Come on, man. It's 10:50. It's time. That's that micro time. Come on now. You take this middle line. Come on, man. Beauty of itself. You pay attention to the hourly, bro. I know once this candle closed, this is gonna be a 1 hour, so it can't be, shooting for the stars. But rather than, paying attention, bro. We did close this inverted FPG. Say like 9 more minutes, and I'm literally just paying attention because I might do that. Just the way she moving. See, we could get a move down there. Just take us out right there, bro. Just end our day. Just cause again, how we about to turn this into a 1 hour, and if she dive into that, then you gotta pay attention to that. Yes, has other plans. She's literally right around it, bro. What time is it? 10:53. Hmm. You hear yourself. I will never abandon you, yes. I won't. I like getting cute, but she got a mind of her own at times, bro. Put 10 right here to take us out just in case. And I'll be taking S along the way. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and minimize my risk again. Just cause just cause it gets here, I'm gonna put my thing on break even. Let's see, bro. Look at that. I could have put it could have been a 25 right there too. This is why I like ES when it moves like this, bro. Let's see. Let's see it, bro. Let's see. Come on, be pushing. I'm gonna take some off. I'm gonna go ahead and take 3. Of course, I won't do that. I will never abandon you, yes. You don't deserve that. I put my stop loss right there for a simple fact. It's like, okay, I don't need you going all the way up there no more. And then I'm gonna switch that. I'm gonna put a buy stop. We got 3 more minutes. 3 más minutos. I take my break in some even then. Better than nothing. So far. I really don't like how this is moving already, but let's just have hope. Let's just have hope that another jab into here. Just have hope. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm thinking about taking another, what, 3 off here, leaving 7 run, and leaving 4 running. That's if she wants to go ahead and run down. Should play so much game. Too much freaking games. Paying attention to yes. Took these out of here. Let's see if she takes our 3 off the table. Bro, she ain't trying to pay, bro. Yo, gig, she ain't trying to pay, bro. What the? Nah, man. Nah, you play games. Alright, I see how it is. This why I be leaving NQ alone, bro. I don't be trusting NQ like that no more. So I like my ES, bro. It's so precise, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like it took those equal lows right there, it made, and no, I actually had this relative equal lows between this low and this low, and this candle made equal lows, took it out with this one, and then look, rejected. See how it is. You do what you gotta do, bro. I ain't chasing you, bro. You're gonna help me break even already, bro. So it is what it is. Do your BS, bro. Do your BS. Help me break even a little bit of my loss. Do your thing, bro. I don't really care. This shit is just horrendous. Horrendous. I betrayal you, ES. It would have been 1,500 right there with ES, bro. And I would have been clocked out with at least maybe 1.2, just trailing it right there. Because my stop loss would have been right there. We would have been out of the trade. So it is what it is. We was down. Yeah, we was down big, and we minimized it. But yo, bro, yeah, NQ could suck. But I'm gonna even trade. I'm gonna just take myself out of this. It's present. You know what I'm saying? Let me see something. If it would have been the same. It was 50, and then it was 25. Look at that, Bobby. Bobby, look at that, Bobby. Bobby, look at that, Bobby. You see that, Bobby? Like that's crazy, bro. Very crazy, man. Muy crazy. And here I am thinking of just letting it ride and not taking no partials. It would have been effed. Hmm? Hmm? Effed, Bobby. Effed. cannot make this up, Bobby. What time is it? It's look at that. And we created this 1 hour. So it's like possibility of her coming down into this 1 hour and then going back up higher. Definitely possible. Bobby, possible, Bobby. It's doable, impossible. I'm not even surprised he's doing all this bullshit. Look at that. Back down again. I believe we was all in this bullshit here, bro. Redundant. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. This is. Alright, that's it for me today. I'm gonna holla at y'all. As always, stay safe. Five peace. Proper preparation for poor performance. As always, stay safe. God bless y'all. Peace.